Hey, just squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool image on here, and pretty much what this is a crossbody bag. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand. If you guys remember in the past, I actually reviewed a few other bags from this brand before. And this is another one of the very popular bag, which is called like a mini flap bag. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So let's do slide it out. Once you guys do slide it out, inside right here, and see we do have the bag. Once you guys do take it out, and see how they do give you guys this very nice little bag to hold the bag inside. And the cool thing about this bag is the fact that you do have the option to use it to put stuff inside. Maybe when you guys are traveling or something, which is really nice because it actually feels really soft and very smooth. But guys do take out the bag. Once you guys do take it out, you can see how it's all nicely wrapped up. So that way it's know it's brand new. But I'll take out the wrapper and show you guys what the bag looks like. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the bag looks like. So for the one that we got right here, it is a ivory color or ivory lizard. But just like any of the other products from this brand, the material that they use on here is vegan leather, which is really cool. But you can see in the front part right here, they do have the brand name. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it does feel like a high quality material. But here is what the bag looks like in the front. Here is the side. Here is the back. And then here is the bottom. So you can see even on the side right here, the material that they use on here definitely looks and feels like a high quality material for the strap option, which should be inside. Same thing for our side right here. And right here in the front, you can see it's locked. So the way how it's open is actually very cool. Instead of you guys pulling out, you guys have to push the button to actually release it. And once you're done, you have to push back in to lock it back in. So that way the bag is much more secure when you guys do use it. And like I mentioned, for the one that we got right here is ivory color. They do have this available in a few other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. But now let's open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So you can see and feel that vegan leather material on here does feel like a high quality material. If you guys look at the inside, it's actually very spacious. There's one pocket here, one right here, and a mini one right here in the front. And right there, you can see they do have the brand name. And here we do have a zipper compartment for you to put stuff as well if you guys do want to. So let's do open up. That is what the zipper compartment looks like when you guys do open it. So if you guys can put like your credit card, your ID or something inside, feel free to do so. And then for the other pocket that's inside right here for this one and this one, it's actually very spacious. So for example, if you guys can put in like a big power bank on this one, it will fit inside. So I do put it inside. If you guys can see how it fits in there perfectly, just right. So if you guys want to put in like your wallet or your phone inside, it will fit. And for this mini pocket in the front, you guys can put small stuff. You probably cannot put the power bank that I just show you guys. But if you guys have like a smaller power bank, or if you guys have like credit card or bills, feel free to put it in there. And then right here, you can see we do have the strap. So let's do take it out. That's what the inside looks like with that part. But now I'm actually open the strap and set it up to show you guys what it looks like. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the strap looks like. So all you need to do is push it down to lock it in. And if you guys look really carefully on here, it does have the brand name, JW Pay. But now let's set it up and show you guys what the product looks like. So what you're gonna do is just hook it on. Just like that. It doesn't matter which way I put it on, since it is 360 rotatable. Same thing for our side. So let's do hook it on. Once you guys hook it on, this is what the bag looks like. So I'm actually put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So this is one way for us to use it, which is basically like a shoulder bag option. Another way for us to use it is to take off the strap and carry like a handbag if you guys want to, which is what I showed you guys earlier before using the strap option. And when you guys use the shoulder strap option, you guys can use it on either side since it is rotatable. So whether if you guys want to show like the vegan leather side or like the lizard design, that is up to you guys. So for example, right now I do have a lizard side. If I want to flip it around, I just go like that. And now we have it on the vegan leather side, which is really nice. So those are different ways for us to wear it. There is one more way for us to use it, which is basically a crossbody bag option. So we go like this. This is another way for us to wear it. So obviously, because my body is much bigger, it won't look as nice. But obviously, if you guys are a woman and you guys are not as big as me, it'll look a lot better, and this part right here will probably be hanging a little bit lower. So those are different ways for us to wear the bag if you guys want to, which is really cool. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this bag, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality luxury bag that has like vegan leather and super affordable and give you guys a very nice design, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.